In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store. Whether you're just getting started or looking to spruce up your online presence, these simple steps will guide you through the process of enhancing your store's appearance, making it more inviting for your customers. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify account by heading over to your store's homepage. If you're new to Shopify, make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features we'll be discussing today. Once you're in, let's get started with customizing the visual elements of your store. Look for the Customize button on your dashboard. Clicking this will take you to the theme editor, which is where the magic happens. This is your hub for changing the look and feel of your site without needing to write any code. It's really user-friendly and gives you a visual preview as you make changes. Next, find the header section and click on it. The header is one of the first things your visitors will see, so you want it to be inviting and representative of your brand. Here, you can modify your logo, adjust the size, or even change its position to suit the overall aesthetic of your store. Now, with the header looking great, let's move on to the template section. This allows you to adjust the layout and style of various parts of your site. It's a great opportunity to ensure your website looks cohesive and professional. Feel free to experiment. Most changes are visible in real time, so you can see how each modification affects the overall presentation. After the template, you'll want to focus on the footer. The footer often contains important links and information, like contact details or legal information, so it deserves careful attention. Customize this area to include everything your customers might need quick access to, such as customer service info or links to your social media. Next, click on the gear icon, usually located on your theme editing toolbar. This icon holds various settings that can fine-tune your store's functionality and style. From here, you can access deeper customization options that can change the way your site operates and make it more unique. Following this, explore the theme settings. This section allows you to tweak colors, typography, and other style details to ensure that all elements of your store's design reflect your brand identity perfectly. Altering these settings can dramatically change the feel of your store, so don't be afraid to explore different combinations. Finally, let's take a look at the App Embed feature. Shopify's app marketplace offers thousands of tools that can help you extend the functionality of your store. By embedding these apps, you can add features or integrations that might enhance your customers' shopping experience or help streamline your business operations. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a visually appealing and highly functional Shopify store that truly stands out. Remember, the key to a successful online store is not just in how it looks, but also in how it serves your customers' needs. Happy customizing!